we discussed about the strict enforcement of vaccine certificate in all public places. At the time of entry of all public places, including markets, malls, theatres, pubs, bars, restaurants, parks, all these areas, we have to enforce the vaccination certificate. It should be like a universal pass.
ಮಾಲು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರು ಡಬಲ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಡಬಲ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
This 42-year-old who died about 18 hours after the vaccine jab, and I've spoken to the Public Health Director, Dr. G. Srinivas Rao, and he has had a talk with the doctors who carried out the post-mortem, and he says that all indications are that this is unrelated to the vaccine jab itself, that this is a myocardial infarction that we are talking about, and he suffered the episode at around 2:30, but he was brought to the hospital at around 5:30 in the morning today, and he had taken the jab in fact on the 19th of January at 11:30 in the morning, and usually for any such vaccine it's either a human error or a technical error.
बुनियादी सवाल ये उत्पन्न होता है कि अगर ये टीका इतना ही सुरक्षित है, इतना ही कामदेह है, तो अभी तक किसी इस सरकार का कोई जिम्मेदार मंत्री सामने क्यों नहीं आया कि सबसे पहले मुझे टीका लगाओ, जिससे कि लोगों में संदेश जाए कि ये टीका बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित है.
TTS is thrombocytopenia syndrome, which is one of those situations where there can be clots formed in the blood vessels. So it can be due to numerous reasons. I mean, it's been a described syndrome. It's been known to happen with some sepsis syndrome, and there are several other situations. So it's clinically, it's a hazardous situation because it can cause clots in blood vessels. Obviously, may have disastrous consequences in terms of strokes and heart attacks. That can happen with this TTS.